So hello dear friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. And if you're here because of the question I had asked in the thumbnail, that is, if you could answer me this question or if you could convince me why, this particular problem is not the answer. And if you can explain me, then that means you have understood the permutation and combination throughout. Okay, there is no difficulty. So what is that, the problem which I'm talking about this particular thumbnail. So here it is, you can see, it says, let me read the problem here. A group of 13 people of which 7 are experienced. In how many ways can a team of 3 people be selected so that at least one is experienced? Okay, so this is what the question is. Now, what will be the general approach? So I'm giving you the solutions here. Basically, first approach would be at least one means what? At least one simply means, either when we are selecting 3 people, either one is experienced or 2 are experienced or all the 3 are experienced, isn't it? So we will add these 3 cases and that's our answer. So one experienced guy. So from here, I can say how many are experienced? Experienced are 7, and those who don't have experience, no experience is basically 13 minus 7, which is 6. Okay. So I can select one experience in how many ways? 7C1 and 2 inexperienced, that is no experience from 6, so 6C2. Plus, I could say 2 experienced, so 7 are experienced, so 2 from experienced guys and 1 from no experience, plus or means plus, so I'm adding it up. So let me put this in the brackets. Fine. Now all the 3 are experienced, so out of 7, all the 3 I'm selecting and none of them from the no experience guys. Okay, so this is one way and that's perfectly fine, right? This is the most conventional method. Okay, now another way to look at this question is second approach. Second approach says I have to select 3 people, isn't it? Out of total is 13. So this is the 13. So in how many ways can I select these 3 people out of 13? So that is 13C3. This is the total, right? So when I say 13C3, that means I need to select means combination. So 3 people. Now when I say 13C3, this will include all the possibilities, that is either all the 3 are experienced, isn't it? Or 2 of them are experienced and 1 is not non-experienced, isn't it? Or we could have 1 is experienced, right? And 2 of them non-experienced. Or the fourth case I could have is 0 experienced, isn't it so? Exactly. So now what we can do is, what we have to find? We have to find at least 1 is experienced. So in all these 3 cases, what do we have? At least 1 is experienced. So what I can do is, I can simply write this 13C3, right, minus 0 experience. So in how many ways can I have 0 experience? So 13C3 minus 0 experience. That means, 6C3, right? So that will be the answer, right? All the 3 I'm taking from non-experience. That is what 0 experience stands for. So no experience are how many people? 6. So 6C3. So from total, I've subtracted this. So this is also one approach. Okay. But then while solving this question, I was intrigued by this thought that why can't we do this? That means, let's suppose out of 7, I can choose one person who is experienced, right? And then, so from 13, right? Now from 13, if I've chosen one who is experienced, that can be done in 7C1 way, right? And then how many are remaining if I've chosen one who is experienced? One experienced guy I've already taken, right? This is done. Now 13 minus 1 is 12. So remaining 2 guys, I can choose from 12C2, isn't it? So these 2 guys out of 12 will be such that, right, both of them are not experienced, right? These 2 guys are, what are the possibilities, right? 0 experienced, right? These 2 guys, or I should write or here. Either one is experienced, one is non-experienced, or both are experienced. These are the three possibilities, isn't it? But then this approach is wrong. So if you could explain me why this statement which I have written over here is wrong. If you have understood, that means you have grasped the concept of permutation and combination. Okay, so you can ping your answers in the comment section, and I hope you it was very intriguing to you as well, right? So thanks for watching, and do share with your friends, and do give a thought about this, why it is not the answer. Okay, thanks for watching. Thank you.